Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.